Students, welcome students. Today's session discuss chemical kinetics important sum. In this first order reaction is apply. So prove the time taken 99% completion in 10 for 50%. So first order reaction formula chemical kinetics K equal to 2.303 in power of 10th values of logarithmic form divided T log A by A naught formula. So A by A minus X is the time taken. So time taken you will be apply. A is 100%, X is also 99.9%. So time taken you will be consider 99.9%. 2.303 divided K log 100 by 100 minus 99.9% will be next step. It will be remaining the same 100 divided 0.1. So next will be the 99.9% will be 2.303 divided log 1000. It will be 100 divided 0.1 means it will be same multiply is also value is log 1000. So log 1000 is the time taken divided the step will be bending. Next A will be 100%, X is also 50%. Apply the position 100 minus 50, 100 divided 50, so it will be 2. So log 2. The both equation similarly consider dividing T 99.9% divided T 50% equal to log. So both are cancelled. So log 1000 by 2. So log 2 value, log 1000 value is 3, log 2 value is 0.3010. So it will be consider divide also 10 value. So 99% of required of time equal to 10 into T50 is a cross multiply 10 into T50. So one important sum students. Next discuss very important Arrhenius theory. So Arrhenius equation effect of temperature rate of reaction. So Arrhenius equation is the effect of temperature and reaction of rate. So chemical kinetics Arrhenius equation the energy activation. So A is also frequency factor, capital A is also energy. So E minus EA is also energy activation, or gas constant is considered of rate constant, T temperature. So this is the Arrhenius equation. Based on that apply K1 and K2 and rate constant T1 and T2 is apply. So K1 equal to is a logarithmic of A minus EA by RT1. So next K2 ln K2 apply, ln K2 equal to ln A minus EA by RT2. So compared to the equation 2 and 3, K2 minus K1 ln K2 minus K1 equal to minus EA by RT2 plus EA divided RT1. So next step is also dividing from K2 divided K1 equal to EA divided R. Differentiate function is also into the 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. So next step K2 divided K1 equal to EA by R is a cross multiply of that 1 by T2 is consider 1 by T2 minus 1 by T1 is the LCM is also T1 and T2 is also LCM is the cross multiply T1 and T2 is a cross multiply T2 minus T1. So apply to the ln is the logarithmic form power of the 10 value in 2.303 log equal to K2 divided K1 equal to EA divided R equal to T2 minus T1 divided T1 into T2 log K2 divided K1 equal to EA by is also 2.303 is a device part equal to an RHS part divided here also multiply function. So EA divided 2.303 R into T2 minus T1 divided T1 into T2. This equation is called based on the apply of the Arrhenius concept. Define catalyst. A catalyst is substance which is alter rate of reactions without undergoes the chemical changes is the catalyst. So collision rate, the number of collisions take place the per second or per liter of the reactant is called collision rate. Next, bimolecular reaction. So A type of one molecule, B type of one molecule to give the reactant part. To give the one product is the two function involved by. 2 means by 2 molecular is also reaction is called bimolecular reaction is the based on the kinetic theory of gases. According theory, chemical reactions occur to that collision between the reacting of two molecules. So the rate of number of collisions per liter or second will be considered collision A, alpha concentration of the reactant, alpha concentration A2 and B2. Collision rate play to Z A2 into B2. So Z is a chemical equilibrium of constant. Next will be energy activations of collision theory. So important students. So reactant part. So catalyst will be used. So EA energy activation to give the speed of product. So reaction progress. So reactant part energy activation. Next will be energy activation applied to catalyst is the potential energy involved to the energy activation and give the product. So the two possibilities of bimolecular reactions. So that the energy activation, the minimum energy by the molecular react from the product is called activation energy. The minimum beginning energy is called activation energy. Molecules have less energy, the activation energy will not react. Out of 10 power 18 collision convert to the reactant and the product part. So example, the orientation of collision possible in the factor, the A type molecule, so A2 type and B2 type. So this is a forward, this is the backward. So 2A and B is also reactant, A and B reactive. So AB product is also separate, but that is a proper alignment. So improper alignment is a linear alignment. So AA linear, BB linear. So do not intermediate ineffective collision.